We're here with the Jumping Sumo, and we're gonna talk about how to adjust the wheels. As you can see, this portion right here, there are like 3 connections to the actual tire, and they're actually pretty bendable. So if you actually push in the middle of the wheel, you can actually adjust the tires on the Jumping Sumo. So on the other side as well, you can press on the rim and you can make it on an actual bigger scale. In the same way, if you press inside, you can actually adjust it back the way you had them before. And I would say that this is more like the indoor option, and in the long way would be the outdoor option. And that's how you retract and adjust the wheels.